Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Quick VFX tutorial. Today I will teach you the PBR rendering, or you can say that the Fission Rendering in Vizrt. First take a look. We will do the project based training. So this is our set. This set is completely modeled with the default object of Vizrt design. Vizrt. This training is not about the modeling, so I will not teach you the modeling. But if you want to want a tutorial on modeling, you can comment this, so I will start doing the modeling tutorial as well. But for now, we'll do the PBR rendering. Take a look. This set is completely Vizrt based rendering. So first, what I will do, I will delete all the material and we start from the scratch doing the material for this set. I will delete each and everything so I can teach you from the scratch. Or there's a smart way, sorry I forgot. If you go there, plugin and drag and drop any material and click this, it will select all the material in the scene and simply delete this. So this is now our default scene, only the model. So we will start doing the material, PBR material on this set. So first thing, we have to go in the scene and go to the rendering setting. Instead of classic, we need to select the Fission Renderer. I will not go one by one every option, but as I told you, this is a project based training, so I will teach you what is important for this project, or what is important to creating this kind of a set. Okay, let me delete this as well. On main folder, first of all, we put two plugin, shadow plugin, caster, shadow caster and shadow receiver. So in this way, every object will create its shadow and every object will receive the shadow as well. Now we will go in the scene. That first we were in the rendering setting, now we will go in the normal settings. Let me close all this. Switch off the shadows. So this is our default scene. There is ambient occlusion are open in this scene, that's why it's showing. Let me go in the compositing. Sorry, here global illumination. I just want to delete everything so we can start from the scratch. I'll forward this section. Yes, in the process I'll switch off all these options. So this is our default scene. What we'll do, once we start, we have to go in the setting, in the post process, we'll go there, we open this global illumination, ambient occlusion. Once you open this, we'll see this kind of a thing. So again I will repeat, because a long time I created this, so I have to remember myself as well. render setting, post processing, ambient occlusion. When you open the ambient occlusion, you will see little bit of ambient occlusion. We will fix it this out. So first we do the material for the flooring. Go there, select PBR, we will type here PBR. No need to do download any PBR material or struggle for this. For this one, we will put the black metallic style. We will click on the material. One more thing, once you doing the work in the PBR rendering, make sure this option is enabled, because if its option is not enabled, you can't see any post process stuff. So make sure to switch on this option, and don't worry, once you on it, it will automatically be on this option. So yes, I will keep save this scene. We'll go on the material, select this as a black, kind of a black tone material. Don't make it 100% black. Then we'll go in the metallic, maybe increase the value to, it's not showing anything because the reflection is not on yet. Well, remember one thing, if you want to increase the reflection, you need to reduce the roughness as well. Go there. Now enable the reflection, we need to open in the scene setting as well. So we'll go in the scene setting, post processing, screen space, reflection. We'll switch it on. Now we will go in the material and increase the reflection. Go in the material settings, you will see reflective, we will enable this. So now we will play with the value. If we increase the roughness, we see the blurriness. I prefer this kind of a floor, reflective but blurriness. If you play the metallic value, you will see the difference, but in this case we will keep it as default as 1. So this is our floor. Now I will go here, I will create a material for this one. I don't remember what I did previously, but I will do generally. Again we will select the PBR. Here we will do the little bit bluish grayish tone. Material, blue, will go down. Again we will reflective, we will play with the roughness according to our taste. Okay, now I will make this as a light box. This, as I told you, this my whole concept of this channel. I don't want to waste time. I want to do fast tutorial, but I also need your support. Please like, subscribe and share my tutorials. It will support me, so it will give me so I can create more tutorials. Again I'll create this. I want to create a light box. So simply what we will do, in the immersive color, now to make it immersive, like light emitting material, we need to go to the scene setting, and scene setting we have this in the post process bloom effect. Take a look, once I am changing it, it start glowing it. So this our panel is done. So simply what we will do, we will drag and drop on material, Look, in this way almost your half of the stuff is ready. Now we'll do the roof. In roof I need little bit more reflection than the floor, but I also need a black color, so simply we'll drag and drop the same material, but I will just increase the reflection. To increase the reflection we need to reduce the roughness. So here I will do the lighting in the white color. I'll select our lighting material. I'll simply just change this into white. It's not showing because it will emit, but I need to put this color on the border of the light. Save this here. So if I go closer by pressing P and the right mouse button, you can zoom in, zoom out. So this is the general idea, that this is the way you can do the PBR rendering, PBR material. I'll drag and drop this black here, maybe another color, little bit silver tone. It's completely according to your taste. So just take a look, it's just start giving you the result. Now I'll do fast drag and drop material on each stuff. In this way we'll get our result. This is just a fast paced tutorial to just give you an idea. If you want the detailed tutorial regarding this set, you can message me in the comment, but I also share my main project with the final material. The link I will share. You can download that scene, you can study that scene. If you need more help you can comment, but please like, subscribe and share so I can create more tutorial like this. Thank you.